Okay, I'll be showing you how to set up XL cutter with a Flexi. So first of all, switch on machine and connect it to the computer. So you'll be greeted with this screen, which can display speed and force. So we need to change some settings, so for that, press on setup. And you can't see the screen, so you need to make sure that you have Y against the printer. So you change that by going up and down. Okay, so press setup a few more times. Gonna go back to default screen. So now we need to go back to the computer. Okay, so you need to open up Device Manager. You need to go to Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Yeah. You need to locate USB printer support. So because we have our printer connected, we have two of them, but in your case you probably gonna have one. But you can double check that by clicking Properties. As you can see, this is our printer, and if we check the other one, we should see port and the port number. So we need to make sure that we remember this. So 003. So click OK, and now we can go back to Flexi, open up our design, or just type in any text you want. Go to Effects and Contour Cut. This is where you change your contour cut size. So we're gonna put it around here. Okay, need to make sure that you press on a green tick to register it. Now go to Effects and Contour Cut Mark. Need to make sure they have SAI Auto Mark selected here. Once again, green tick. Now we're ready to print, so select our design. Make sure that your orientation is exactly the same, so if you put in landscape, you need landscape. If it's portrait, you need portrait, so in this case it's landscape. You need to make sure that you have scale set to 100% and press OK. So we have our design, now we're gonna load it up into the cutter. So before you adjust your pinch rollers, you need to make sure that you have them in the correct rotations. So to do that, you just need to make sure that your pinch rollers within this red label right here. Because if you have it here, that's not gonna work. It's not gonna feed the paper back and forwards. Okay, so load your paper in, clamp the pinch rollers down. Now we need to press offline pause on the cutter. This is where we're gonna move our pen. So we need to have it to around here, this position right here. Okay, once you're happy with that, press origin. That's gonna register your origin mark. And you should see the default screen. Now we can go back to the computer. So now we're ready to send a contour cut. So click on contour cut right here on the top. Click OK. Now we need to wait for Device Manager to load up. Sorry, Production Manager. So if you set up your cutter first time, you're gonna see this screen right here. So you need to select Jinka, and then you need to select JK-AML. Click Next. Now we need to select the port. So in our case it was USB 003, so we're gonna select this and click Finish. Okay, so you can minimize this window. You're gonna see this window right here, Cut Contours. So you need to click on Send, and then you need to click, once you click OK, the cutter will start scanning the registration marks and it's gonna perform the actual contour cut. So click OK. So you can see it starts scanning the marks. Alright, so that's it. You can see our results. So and this is how you cut with the XL cutter and a Flexi.